y'all, Bridget Bartlett here with visionmarketinganddesign.com, and today I want to show you how you can use a video from any website for your own website. So the reason this is important is because if you're in affiliate marketing, you want to be able to brand yourself and use testimonial videos. Usually a company that you're an affiliate for will allow you to use those from their website, but you have to know how to get the video from their website to your website. So I'm going to show you how and why I did this. So here is my website. I am a Builderall affiliate. I love Builderall. I was creating a new website, a new sales funnel, and I wanted to use these testimonial videos from the main website. And I have them all down the right-hand side here, along with my bonuses. So if you want to sign up for Builderall, go ahead and check out visionmarketinganddesign.com/trial, and you can try it for free for 7 days. You also get my sales funnel masterclass. You get these top converting sales funnel templates done for you. You also get a lead magnet sales funnel that I created that will help you get leads and grow your email list, which is incredibly important with affiliate marketing. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to the main Builderall website. So here is the affiliates page of the website. Now here are the videos that I wanted to get as the testimonials. They're down here. So now what you need to do is if you click on these, you'll see the video, but there's no way to download it. There's no link or anything. So what you need to do is just go to the page. You could just right click on anywhere on the page and go down to view page source. And when you do that, a lot of weird codes are going to pop up. Don't let that intimidate you. What you just need to do is scroll down here and you'll see it'll be underlined in blue, just like any other link. So you just scroll through the madness until you find a blue link. Okay, so I had to scroll down quite a bit, but I did eventually find the link. So you can see here, it just looks like a normal Vimeo.com link. So here's the link to the video, okay? So all I want to do is I'm going to highlight the actual link to the video. You can just do it before the question mark because the rest of that is just a redirect. So once you highlight it, you're just going to right click and then you're going to copy. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my website editor because I want to add this to my website. Now I don't know at this point which video this is. So, I mean, that is the kind of difficult part, but it doesn't really matter. I'm not trying to be picky with the testimonials. I just want testimonials on my website so that I can share with people other people's experience and how they're using Builderall to grow their business. So I'm going to go to my video editor. And I am in my website editor here. Now, if I want to add a video like this, since it was a Vimeo link, I am going to go to add audio and video. Now, if it was a YouTube link, I would choose YouTube, but this one is Vimeo, so I'm just going to choose Vimeo. And then I'm going to right click on the video. I'm going to choose configure. And then I'm just going to replace this kind of dummy link with the link that I just had and then confirm. And then you can see now here is the Dave Sharp video that talks about the affiliate program. Now, if I do preview here, then you can see the video there. This is what it would look like live if I published it. Obviously, I wouldn't put it in the middle of the page like that. So I'm going to just go back to my website editor. And then I'm just going to left click and then I'm going to right click to delete this video. But that's what you would do here on the side. And it's really important, like I said, to brand yourself. So this is how I have this set up. If you're interested in starting your own online business, feel free to visit my website. I did an interview with the legendary marketer, Dave Sharp. He has an incredible training you can have access to if you're interested, or you can also check out the visionmarketinganddesign.com/trial, and you can check out my instruction video on how to get started with affiliate marketing and receive some free bonuses as well. So I hope you found some value in this. Have a great day. Bye.